Hi my YouTube friends! My channel is all about showing you how you can do your art journaling and mixed media low budget. So in this video I will give you 6 low budget tips to help you build up and decorate your mixed media art journal page. When you like to see more low budget tips and tricks, subscribe to my channel, click the bell icon to get notifications for new videos and premieres of my new videos. My name is Ilona, so let's have some creative fun together. So first I start by making a background with ecoline, which is a liquid watercolor, and I'm using a fun technique, which is also a low budget tip. So you get one extra. It's a really simple technique. I'm blowing my ecoline. I didn't want to look for a straw, so I always have pens in my room. So I screwed one loose and just used the tube of the pen to blow with. And it works like a charm. So no more looking for straws in my house. A pen is always right next to you. So tip 1. Use old music note paper. Maybe you cannot get any music note paper. That's okay, book paper works just the same. Tip 2. Use the perforated part that you tear out of your notebook. Tip 3. Use cut off pieces of lace or fabric. Tip 4. Use tissue paper. Mine came out of a shoebox, and stamp on it. 5. Instead of buying your paper dolls, you can easily find images on the internet and print them yourself. Tip 6. Find a poem and cut out sentences and rearrange them and make a new poem or your own story. You can also do this with book paper. Just cut out lines that you like, arrange them in a certain order, and you have either a poem or a story on your page. I hope my tips were helpful. Thank you so much for watching. See you next week with a new video.